Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the easiest side hustle for college students that requires less than an hour of work each day. College can be expensive and many students are looking for ways to earn some extra cash. If you are one of them, then you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you how you can make money without spending too much time or effort. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and don't forget to download my free book in the description below. With the help of this free book, you can build the #1 digital asset using just your email address and 15 to 30 minutes of work daily. Make sure to download it. The side hustle we are talking about is online survey. Yes, you got it right. You can get paid for sharing your opinion on various products and services. Many companies and research firms are looking for feedback from customers and they are willing to pay for it. There are many websites that offer paid online surveys and you can sign up for free. Once you sign up, you will be asked to fill out a profile that contains information about your demographics, interests, and preferences. Based on your profile, you will be matched with surveys that are relevant to you. The surveys usually take 10 to 20 minutes to complete and you can earn anywhere from $1 to $10 per survey. Some websites also offer bonuses and rewards for completing a certain number of surveys. Sure, here is a step-by-step guide on college students can earn extra cash through online surveys. Step number 1. Find legitimate survey websites. There are many websites that offer paid surveys, but not all of them are legitimate. To avoid scams, it's essential to do your research and find reputable websites. Some of the most reliable survey websites include Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Vendel Research. Step number 2. Register on the websites. Once you have found the legitimate survey websites, the next step is to sign up. Registration is usually straightforward and only take a few minutes. You will need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and demographic details. Step number 3. Complete your profile. After registering, you will need to fill out your profile. This step is essential because it helps survey websites match you with survey that are relevant to your interests and demographics. Be honest and accurate when filling out your profile because this will increase your chances of getting more surveys. Step number 4. Start taking surveys. Once you have completed your profile, you can start taking survey. Most surveys take 10 to 20 minutes to complete and pay anywhere from $1 to $10 per survey. The more surveys you take, the more money you can earn. Step number 5. Cash out your earnings. When you have accumulated enough earnings, you can cash out your earnings. Most survey websites offer various payment options, including PayPal, gift cards, and bank transfers. By following these simple steps, college students can earn extra cash through online surveys. Absolutely. Online surveys can be a great way for college students to earn some extra cash on the side. It's a flexible and convenient side hustle that can be done from anywhere at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. Plus, it doesn't require any special skills or experience, making it accessible to anyone. So, there you have it, the easiest side hustle for college students. Online survey is a great way to earn some extra cash without spending too much time or effort. Just make sure to sign up for legitimate websites and avoid any scams. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.